Hello! Hello guys! So today we are talking about two important computer words, which is the VirtualBox and Ubuntu. You often hear them together. Let's learn and what they are and why we use them. So, what do we use VirtualBox for? First is to run other operating systems. You can run Linux, like Ubuntu, on your Windows PC. Or you can run Windows on your Mac, all on the same computer. Next is to test safely. If you want to test new software or a new operating system, you can do it inside the virtual machine. If something goes wrong, your main computer is safe. It's like doing a messy science experiment in the separate room, not in your main living room. Next is for development. People who make software or developers use it to see if their programs work on different operating systems. In short, VirtualBox lets you run a second computer inside your main computer.
So now, what is Ubuntu? Ubuntu is an operating system you already know. Operating systems is Windows and Mac OS. They are operating systems. An operating system is the main software that makes your computer work. It is the face of your computer. It lets you use programs, surf the internet, and manage your files. Ubuntu is a different type of operating system called Linux. The most important things to know about Ubuntu are: first, it is free. You do not have to pay money to use it. Second, it is open source. This means the code that makes it work is open for anyone to see and improve. It's like a recipe that everyone can use and make better. And the third one, it is safe. It is very good against computer viruses.
So, what do we use Ubuntu for? First, on personal computer. Many people use Ubuntu instead of Windows or Mac OS. It's fast, safe, and free. Second, on servers. Most of the website on the internet run on servers using Ubuntu. It is very strong and stable for this job. Third, for programming. It is a very popular system for developers and people who work with technology because it is easy to use for coding.
So, why do we talk about VirtualBox and Ubuntu together? Because they are
A perfect team.
So if you have a Windows or Mac computer and you want to try Ubuntu, you have a problem. Because you can easily have two operating systems on one computer. So this is where VirtualBox helps. So what you need to do is first, you install VirtualBox on your main computer, like Windows. Then, inside the VirtualBox, you create a new virtual machine. After you install Ubuntu inside the virtual machine, now you can run Ubuntu like it's just another program on your Windows computer. You can open it, use it, and close it whenever you want without affecting your main Windows system. It is the safest and easiest way to learn a new operating system.
Let's do a very quick summary. VirtualBox, a program that lets you create virtual computers inside your real computer. Ubuntu, a free operating system, a type of Linux that you can use on your computer or on internet service. Together, VirtualBox lets you run and try Ubuntu safely inside your computer. I hope this makes VirtualBox and Ubuntu clear for you.
And next, we're going to show you the demonstration how to install VirtualBox and Ubuntu.
Back! So, for the continuation of the video, we are going to show you or demo how to install VirtualBox and Ubuntu on your computer. First, you're going to go to Google and search VirtualBox. And click the download. Wait lang ta guys, kay may gamay amo ang signal. And right now, we're going to pick the window because window ato gigamit na OS. If nag Mac OS mo or nag Linux or Solaris, you're going to click that one. And right now, naka-download naman me. So, we're going to post this. Going to go to path. Asa na mo na-download amo ang Adara. And then, next one is the Ubuntu. Download tag Ubuntu. And Ubuntu, ano lang, 24. Kay katong 25 is dako kato siya gig, dili makaya sa internet. Or, kamo, kung gusto mo 25, kato lang. Ubuntu Linux. ISO dai. This one. And right now, pani click na ninyo. But, nahuman naman pud make download. Kay dugay kini siya mo mag-download. Amo siyang download para ang video dili kay as in nga taas jud. Pa-download naman may. So, dara. And then, open na to ang VirtualBox. Yes. Next. Agree. Next. Yes. Next. Install. Wait lang ta, guys.
Sinaro, yung kanta yun yung aradyan.
Finish na dayon. And then, open na to. And next na to buhaton is install ang Ubuntu Linux sa VirtualBox. Click ang new. So, name, Ubuntu, VM name, Ubuntu Linux. So, ISO image, select na to yung Ubuntu. Other. Asan doon na daw ang Ubuntu? Tara. Open. Next. Click the next button. And right now, magbuhat ta sa ato ang username o password sa ato ang Ubuntu. Gusto na mo i-name is BC Bida. Kamu na bahala kung sa yung username. And sa password kay Bida. Ayaw ninyo kalimti ang password kay obviously hindi nyo na ma-open. Sa hostname kay Ubuntu lang na to. Next is click the next button. Karon, mag-ano ta kung unsa kadaka ang atong ikuan sa Ubuntu memory. Yes. Sa to, Nor? Sa to? Base sa? Yes. CPU 3 lang na to right now. And then, kamo na bahala ha kung unsa inyong gusto, unsa inyong kadaka, nga MB or gig. Amua kay anak lang siguro. And then, text size 25. Default lang na mo. Except sa CPU de mo siyang G3.
2 terabyte na. Terabyte na.
Antod ba ni sa ano? Ana di. Yes. Ang tanong mong kauban ngano daw 2 terabyte. Daan na niyo sa kuan. Yes. Default lang na mo siya. Next dayon. And then finish. And then ato na nato. Wow! Dai, try to install Ubuntu. Ubuntu 24.04. Yes. Nice ka siya, guys. Na siya yung mga apps na install na daan. So, kamo na bahala nga mag-explore ani if gusto mo nga mag-Ubuntu, this is the one, guys. Nice ang Ubuntu. So, that's all. If you learn something, hope
You
na
learn
naka-learn mo.
something.
And
our tutorial video.
Yes.
Share and subscribe or
Yes. Subscribe, guys. And this is Angelina D. Peñas.
This is Narcisa Macalonto.
And Pera Kids, si Muyano.
Thank you for listening and watching. Bye, guys.
Bye.